Today, you're going to learn how to add trend targets in this quick and easy guide. Before we begin, make sure you have TradingView open with the chart you want to analyze. Trend targets works on any market and any time frame. So whether you focus on crypto, forex, stocks or indices, the process remains exactly the same. Having your chart prepared helps you see the indicator instantly once it's applied, making the learning experience smoother and much easier to follow. Once your chart is ready, go to the top of the TradingView interface and click on the Indicators button. This is where all the built-in and community-created tools are located. Opening this menu gives you access to thousands of indicators designed to help you understand market structure, momentum, and potential movement. For this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on trend targets. Inside the search bar, type trend targets. You don't need to type anything else because TradingView will automatically filter the list and display the exact indicator you're looking for. Keeping your search simple allows you to find tools quickly without scrolling through long lists or similar names. When you see trend targets appear in the results, click on it and the indicator will instantly load onto your chart. Once added, take a moment to look at how it displays projected target levels based on the current trend. These levels help you identify potential areas where price may move next, giving you valuable insights into whether a trend is likely to continue or slow down. The indicator visually outlines possible upside and downside targets, helping you plan entries, exits, and risk management with more confidence. As you continue watching price interact with these levels, you'll start to see how trend targets can become a helpful part of your trading strategy. If you want to unlock more powerful charting tools, additional indicators per chart, and enhanced features for your workflow, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description to upgrade to TradingView Pro. It gives you a smoother experience and more flexibility, especially if you rely on multiple tools for technical analysis. And that's all you need to do to add trend targets to your TradingView chart. Spend some time exploring how it behaves in different market conditions. Practice incorporating it into your setups and let it guide you toward clearer and more structured trading decisions.